Metal roof gutters clogged, causing water backup, can wreck your whole drainage system and lead to some serious damage if you don't keep them in check. So, first off, make it a habit to clean your gutters at least twice a year, especially in the fall when leaves are dropping like crazy. Use a sturdy ladder and gloves to scoop out debris, then flush the gutters with water to clear smaller bits. If you don't want the hassle of constant cleaning, installing gutter guards is a smart move. They block leaves and sticks, but still let water flow freely. Also, check that your downspouts aren't blocked because that's a common spot where water backs up and causes overflow. You gotta make sure your gutters slope just right toward the downspouts so water doesn't pool and freeze in colder months. Don't forget to inspect for rust or holes in metal gutters. Patch those up quickly to prevent leaks. If you notice water spilling over even after cleaning, your system might be too small for the roof size, so consider upgrading to wider gutters. Lastly, trimming back trees near the roof can cut down on how much junk falls into your gutters in the first place. One of the biggest mistakes with metal roof gutters clogged, causing water backup, is ignoring regular maintenance. No surprise there, but skipping cleanings leads to nasty blockages. Fix it by setting reminders for seasonal gutter cleanings. Another common issue is poor gutter slope. If they're too flat or angled wrong, water just sits there and causes rust or ice dams. The fix? Adjust the pitch to about a 1/4 inch drop per 10 feet. Third, people often skip checking downspouts, which get clogged with debris or nests and stop water flow. Clearing those out regularly will keep everything draining smoothly and prevent backups. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress, making home maintenance way easier. Contractors also get help finding reliable work, which keeps both sides happy and projects moving fast.